is too small for you, sweetheart. Put it on the baby. Good girl. That's not how you pick a baby up. Are you thirsty? No, by the bottle. Now she's trying to drink the baby's bottle. Oh, you dropped the baby. The baby's gonna drink it, sweetheart. It's not for you. You're mean to the babies. Here, you want the bear? Here.